Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you this 16GB digital voice recorder. I got this item recently for a project I was working on, so let's get this opened up and I'll show you what it looks like. This digital voice recorder is very easy to operate. It has an on switch that we can use to activate the recorder. It also has a record button that we can press to start the recording, and we can stop the recording by pressing the stop button. It also has a play button to be able to listen to what we just recorded. It also has the A/B option that we can select to repeat the important sections. And it is also easy to play back with a powerful speaker built into this recorder. This digital recorder features a high quality recording with a clear voice and noise reduction that is able to capture the speaker's words like in an interview, lectures, or meetings. The automatic voice reduction function is a great feature where we can start the recording, and when a sound is detected, it will start recording, and it is going to switch over to standby mode when there is no voice.
Hello,
this is a great
test,
feature
test.
to be able to save recording time and reduce the usage of the battery. This voice recorder can also be used as a music player, and we can use it to enjoy music during studies, meetings, or other purposes. Plus, it can even act as a data storage device to be able to take along our favorite pictures or documents wherever we go through the USB connection. When fully charged, it can continuously record for more than 30 hours and play for 7 hours. If you are in the market for a high quality, long lasting digital voice recorder, this is definitely worth looking into.